YouTube, and I'm back with another playlist. I'm reacting to J Money 1041 and my big bro Treyway. Shout out to Treyway, man. To their little dance video they was in Memphis to Yay Energy by Lil Yachty. I know they was lit. I know my boy Treyway lit. You know Treyway is a different. He's changing the game with this dance stuff. His wordplay is crazy. Yeah, be sure y'all follow him. I'm gonna put his Instagram right here. Pretty much, but guess what? I'm still being consistent. They said when you do a vlog, she's supposed to have 25 videos. And all honestly, I think I'm gonna hit 25 videos before the 25th. So or even on the 25th, and I'm being consistent. As y'all see, I'm dropping every day, and my YouTube is starting to grow now. So again, thank y'all. I wouldn't have done it without y'all. Remember, I'm doing a giveaway at 200 subscribers and 150 subscribers. Y'all know what the giveaway is and what I'll be giving away to a special person. Or, you know, it's going to be random. It's going to be fair. We're going to have fun. Remember, you know, you got to show the love. Also, be sure, again, you know, y'all go cop some I'm excited. Y'all can't even talk. Be sure y'all cop from City Life View. Link is going to be in the description with codes and all types of stuff, man. But we're gonna get straight into this video. And 3, 2, 1, let's get lit. Shout out to J Money for this video, man, by the way, if I didn't say. The boys in Memphis. I know them boys turned. You got Dream, Finesse, Queese, Elise, Jaden Smooth, Future. Yeah. Turn me up. Yeah. Turn me up. Damn! Turn me up. Turn me up. Yeah, niggas not rich. Oh my mouth, niggas cold. I got a video dropping this real soon. Yeah. Damn. Yeah. She's so cold, bro. Yeah. Turn me up. Ooh. Damn. Yeah. Who next? Damn. I'm running it back. Running it back. He said he's running it back. Running it back. He said he's running it back. Let go. Yeah. Damn. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, in my opinion, Dram is the king of Memphis jigging right now. He ain't nobody doing it like him. He got everybody want to do. Damn. Whoa. Oh yeah, Trey, that's big bro. Turn me up. Damn. Some. Turn me up. Yeah. He not tough, he told. Yeah. They turn me up, no cap. Damn. Let go. Bam. Hey, shout out to them boys in Memphis. Shout out to the whole 901 ENT. Shout out to my boy, my big boy Treyway. Shout out to J Money. You know, that was a little video. I can't even tell. They got me pumped. That was a lit video. I'm rated a 10. You know, my boy Treyway turned me over with the word. But I'm telling y'all know they gotta listen. When y'all listening to these songs and y'all watching these dancers dance, y'all have to listen to them. At the end of the day, what I like about this video and what sets this video different from everybody else's video, they're having fun. Now, a lot of times I watch dance videos and everybody just standing there, you know, because they're too busy trying to be the best out the video. They trying to be the highlight or whatever the case. But little do they know, your video goes viral and it makes the most views, and you become a highlight when you have fun. Everything don't gotta be a competition. You know, you are your best self when you have fun with your art. And I think all dancers and artists should do that. You know, you could be the best, but it's a way of doing it. You know, go have fun. You can be competitive. Be competitive when it's time to be competitive, but have fun, especially when you're out with these sessions with your friends and you just turned up. Shout out to, you know, Memphis. Memphis doing is winning right now. Memphis is most definitely up. But I'm rating the video 10. Shout out to them boys, man. I'm gonna drop a video to Yang Energy real soon, so y'all be on the watch for that. That's gonna come this month. Also, I'm dropping a whole bunch of stuff. So yeah, but that's the end of the video. You know, be sure you like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend. Remember, this giveaway, road to 200 subscribers, baby steps. I'm gonna let y'all know what it is at 150 subscribers. But yeah, be sure y'all turn me up. Be sure you tell somebody you love them. You know, life is too short, and that's a wrap for me. Love y'all.